One of the great things about the Northern Beaches is not only do we have beautiful beaches, but we have access to Sydney Harbour, and here at Little Manly Beach you've got it all: boating, swimming, fishing, plus there's a great spot out on Little Manly Point to do some cooking, and today I've got 3 great recipes. Kicking it off with a Portuguese chicken burger. Getting nice and thick and delicious now. Yes, the smells, the aromas, so good. Packed full of flavour. I gotta bite it, I gotta eat it. It's a big stack. Oh, I'm in heaven. Then a Parmesan and tomato tartare. Just got some thyme sprigs, beautiful tomato into the kiln. Turntable on, and there we go. My gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful location, Little Manly Beach just behind me. And then finally, a mushroom stuffed salmon with a herby caper sauce. And this, in the cast iron, goes straight into the kiln, and that is going to be a delicious filling for our salmon, turning beautifully in there in the kiln. Well, I'm very impressed. Well, I think I've nailed the salmon. Absolutely delicious, and I tell you what, the view, spot on. Northern Beaches, it's always good cooking at home. It's been a great day of barbecue recipes. Let's do it all again very soon.